ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ MCQ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 1 ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ MCQ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 2 ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 11 ꯗꯒꯤ 24 ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ खितंग थुना यंगसी अहानबदा the third name in the trinomial nomenclature is trinomial nomenclature gi wahi ahum na saba nomenclature gi ahum suba word to kari no adudi subspecies yare ko next the first step in the taxonomy is taxonomy gi steps sing du kai no ahanbada identification mathangda nomenclature mathangda classification adun ahanba step ti kai tare identification of organism next which of the following is the incorrect aran bakhallo haiba aran be ngasi ko biological names are either derived from the Latin language biological names Latin language natrang or Latinized Latin origin ogitamni sima chume sima chumbani adagi which the first word in a biological name represents the genus and the second component denotes the species first word na kaineba genus ni adugo second word sina kaineba species ni sisu chumme sisu chumbani ko aduna option ate both the words in a biological name when handwritten are separately underlined handwritten khudni ba matam do separately underline to underline to badamni or printed in italics to indicate their Latin origin aduga number matam do italics ta namgadami sisu chumme sisu chumbani aduna option C sunat A su B su C sunate the specific epithet species to nico start with a capital letter species maming to capital letter na hogodamni simala leko while the generic epithet starts with a small letter the genus maming duna small letter na hogodamni onare ko species maming duna small letter na hogodamni the genus maming duna kari capital letter na hodobo it can be illustrated with the example of the Mangifera indica onare ko am sina choboy dawni aduga sigi I sina machan oy dawni aduna aran bakhallo haibne na option si kai tare option D si chumme ko next Linnaeus described 5900 species of plants in his book Linnaeus na magi le ani rami adule ani the plant na grai irami adugo 4326 species of animals adugo 4326 species of animals sing sina crumble like tirami plant sing na grai tirami adugo animals sing na crumble like tirami magi crumble like tirami si yawramni ko adu plant sing na grai tirami ba species plantaram aduga animals sing na grai tiramba systema naturae answer si D next Carolus Linnaeus belongs to kailam machano Sweden ni ko sima khangan biramo next ICBN is my ICBN ki long form si kaino International Code of Botanical Nomenclature si yawre ko International Code of Botanical Nomenclature ga lere option D le International Code of Botanical Nomenclature International Code of Botanical Nomenclature si matungina plant singi scientific name pigani yai ko next match the following singsanno changna singsanno binomial nomenclature kanana no Carolus Linnaeus yai ko Darwin of the 20th century ki Darwin ha kana khangne Ernst Mayr simle father of botany Theophrastus father of medicine Hippocrates zikana kana tare A3 ga yawo sida ani le ko A3 duga B2 A3B2 si A3B2 si dasu A3B2 A3B2 lay A3B2 lay ko C ding si father of botany sina C ga 4 ga chumbadi si tare ko D ga 1 ga option si kana tare A yare ko father of medicine na Hippocrates yeah si theory da yaw khrabani topic mathaki video yengbiyo next the main purpose of classification toriba gi maram je organism sing ji classification toriba maram ji ke no ko study geography gi naina bani locate plants and animals sing gi mafam khangna bani establish relationship among organisms duga organisms sing gi marakta laina ba mari tu khangna bani study evolution naina bani si oi dawni ko establish relationship among the organisms sing gi marakta moi kari mari lainai moi marakta lainai ba mari si kaino kai da manai kai da khenai kram group ta sali ꯃꯁꯛ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯏꯁꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯑꯃong ꯗ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯝꯁ ꯌꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯔꯄꯁꯁꯤꯀꯣ next biological names scientific names singsi were given Latin names Latin name di isi kaiginoba because Latin language si kaineba dead language oibaine mina ngangnaba pot am oidre pak mina ngangnadaba pot am asiba language am oire aduna magi mamingsi thongi mamingdu hongdorokpai chance leitanabaneba ko next founder of the Binomial nomenclature puthokpa kanano Carolus Linnaeus yani ko ngasiꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯈꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯁꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯁꯟꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯦ